there you have it. I made it up again. It's another weekend, another load full in the car. Check it out. Another load full in the car, you can see that. And what do you call it? A 2-hour drive. We're here, having some fun, I guess. I was supposed to have my daughter come up with me. She didn't come up because rain, and she didn't want to go. All right, so basically I'm gonna get out of the car, I'm gonna unpack this shit, and then maybe we'll set up to do some stuff. I wanted to finish the deck today, but rain is supposed to persist, and my little helper is not here today, so I'm gonna do what I can. Look, the rain barrel is working. Oh my goodness, I got water. I got water flowing from me gutters to help me live. Bring that water, that old soul-loving water. All right, so I'm all settled in, and as you can see, I got my little noggin thing on because it's dark today with the rain. So, and I'm not opening all the windows because it's pretty damn cold, man. We're talking 10 degrees, man. And we're only the end of August. It feels like fall, man, already. It just feels like fall is hitting us. So I'm gonna partake, as always, and I'm going to cut some railings. All right, even with the rain, I'm still gonna cut my railings and stuff and try and put in the rest of that so I can get ahead of it. This is the wood I purchased. I purchased some wood, purchased some more wood, and I purchased some insulation, along with a few other things, stuff to fight off some buggy bugs, because I always do preventative measure. All right, so I'm gonna cut the length, but I'm gonna add on an extra eighth because I think I'm gonna trim that with a circular saw up there. So I'm gonna get to this. Safety first. All right. As you can see, I ain't no master carpenter. Well, it never fails. Even when you think you cut everything right, something is crooked. And that's what happens when you build on an old base of an old house from the 50s. Anyways, I got to take everything outside. You know what the worst is? You cut shit extra long to make sure that you don't cut it too short. And after doing some trims and fucking around, I have to take out a little bow in the middle of it, in which case it's going to be short about 3/16. All right, so I got it in place, not too bad. I mean, with a little bit of finagling, I got it to go. I mean, I had to trim up here anyways because this was over there, and I think that's what offset me. As you can see, there's a little space there, but that's a factory side, so it's not so bad. It's covered, it's good. So I'm gonna go and drill that in, and then I'm gonna put the cross bracing that I have down there all the way across, and then I'm probably gonna put another one all the way across everywhere as well. It's a cold one, Mr. Grinch. Oh, I'm gonna get DMC stricken. Stricken, whatever you wanna call it. Hang on to your hat. Watch my phone fall and lose it. There you go. It's a nice one, Mr. Grinch. There you go, look at that. Oh yeah, you know how good this feels just to know that I have a fucking railing it? Oh God, is it ever incredible? Oh. It's like, it's been so long in the making to do this that this just means the world to me. There you go. I'm just gonna hit this one a little bit extra. We got an overhang above us, look. Okay, so here it's not so bad, even with the factory setting. That doesn't have any cutoff juice on it yet, but in a couple years I'm gonna be sanding this roughly and doing the biodiesel shit again on here to, what do you call it, stain it up, because I really like it. I mean, it stinks, but it smells gone. Yeah, it took about a month, but yeah, it's it. All right, let's get this done here. Make sure I'm in there. And I'll give this a little right through to the other side. Right on through to the other side. Right on through to the other side. All right, it's not too bad. I mean, it's a little bit crooked, but you know, whatever. Like I said, I ain't a master. I'm just an old man having some fun and building up what I want to leave to my children. That's right. Leave it to my children. Hopefully those are not striking all the way through, and they don't seem to be. I think that should be enough. Last one here and there, and I think we're good. So what I did, so you can understand, is there's a little reveal here. Kind of hard to see, but there's a little reveal right here on my wood. And then that means that on this side, there's a bigger reveal. So that's the idea. That's the idea to make that. All right, next, adding in those toe kicks, and then we'll figure out after if we're using a lattice, if we're using whatever. Where do we stand? Is damn cold is where we stand. I could see my breath not long ago. The rain has finally lit up, which is nice, but it is freaky deaky cold. The rain barrel is full and actually overflowing, which is kind of nice. The system is actually working, which is great. Kind of looks like a, you know, like a fence to a barn or you know, like a ranch or something. It's nothing fancy. It's just, this is what I got. This is what I'm working with. And look, here's the rain barrel. It's my favorite thing. But yeah, here we go. So that's it. So I'm going to finish this up and I'll show you all finished. Oh, there you have it. Look at that. A little bit of woodpeckering, some turkeys, and a bunch of wood drilled in. Here I had some serious issues. I don't know why my cut was so off, but as I pounded it down and shaved the wood, because the wood is so old. I mean, it is solid though still. It's old by shaving off because of I guess the diesel. The diesel and oil made it just rub down like that. Anyways, there you go. That's it. Look at that. I got a fucking sturdy railing, and I mean, I'm happy with that. I thought that would be a lot, there's no budge. I mean, I'm leaning on it. I honestly thought it would be a lot worse, the jiggle on the railing. But, you know, look, not bad, not bad. So what's left? I got to do the stairs, and that's it. Then we got ourselves an actual usable deck. Next year, I'll put a barbecue up here, and I'll have a nice little barbecue in the corner. And we'll film that and show you how it goes about. Anyways, I'm KB. This is Kreative Builds.